lentils, horseradish, roast vegetables. Fantastic. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Let's go. Okay, let's get started on this. So in the center, I've got my green lentils. What I've done with those lentils, I give them a nice wash a couple of times in some cold water. I soaked them for, a couple of hours, and then I cooked them. They're nice and soft now. Cucumber, tomato, bell peppers, and onion, sliced onion. I'm using the red onion. It's a bit stronger than maybe a white, or maybe if you want, you could use green or spring onions, whatever you call them. And then here we've got horseradish sauce. Now, if you want to be completely vegan, be careful when you buy horseradish, because sometimes it's not vegan, it's got some milk products in it. This one is actually pure vegan. Simply, we're going to give this a mix together. Okay, so mixing bowl's ready. Let's just get those little amounts of bell peppers in there, nice bit of color, the tomato, and you can be really playing around with the amounts of this. There goes the cucumber, there goes the onion. And then here we go with the horseradish, which is going to give it a real nice tang. I just want to go a little bit of black pepper. I'm not going to add any salt to this. I think it's going to be okay without the salt. We're going to mix this up and we can move on. So with the grilled eggplant and peppers, a little bit of salt and pepper on there, some olive oil, off you go, a few minutes, bang, 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 nice. They've still got a nice crunch on them. I've got those on a bed of lettuce, and quite frankly, that looks beautiful already, but let's grab our lovely salad and place some in the center. A layer of lettuce, the grilled vegetables, and our salad just there in the center. Few olives, and that's it. Beautiful. Very easy, very tasty. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.